Hey everyone, Jeremy Knopf here with Spartan Media, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial to walk you through a process that I explained in a Search Engine Land article about using Quora to find content ideas for your search engine optimization campaigns. So let's do a quick search here. We'll use content marketing in this example. So Quora has a bunch of questions that people are asking for more information about topics, right? So when we search for this, these are the types of questions that we're seeing, which is great. There's a lot of information here, a lot of things you may not have thought of that somebody outside of your industry or somebody that's new to your industry may want to know. The problem is you've got all this extra garbage around it. So a way that I've found to clean this up so that you can strip out what you don't want and keep what you do is, let's go ahead and inspect this real quick, and we'll get into the HTML and CSS here. So what we want to look for is the top thing that's wrapped around this, which in this case is going to be this div feed card. All right, what we're going to, let's try that again. What we're going to do here is make that display none. Now all of that extra garbage that we don't need is gone. Now this is better than using some of the HTML cleaners because you've still got your question as well as the link here, but you've gotten rid of all the divs, all the other extra garbage. Now keep in mind this may change from time to time when Quora updates their website, whether it's the HTML or the CSS. You may just need to find a different part to hide, but this is a pretty slick way to get rid of all this. And then from here, you can just go ahead and copy the questions, and it just goes on and on and on. But I just grabbed that first chunk there. Let's go ahead and drop it into a Google Doc. So we can see here that we've got the questions, and then we can also still go to that question on Quora. It's still got the link there attached. So we can see how people have answered it. We can see how the visitors have engaged with it. Did they upvote it? Did they downvote it? Gives you kind of an idea as to whether they found it engaging and useful. What I like to do is go in here and just kind of break these out into groups. So you kind of merge together groups of very similar questions. That way you don't end up with a bunch of sort of similar content on your site that really isn't unique enough to warrant having its own page or post in that case. So hopefully that helps you to find and compile this data a little bit easier. All right, thanks everyone.